Hello everyone, my name is Morgan Zhang from Model 3D EMEA team. Today, I'm gonna to talk about how to use Compact Project Wizard in Model 3D. In general, if we run several runs in the same project, the size of project will become bigger and bigger, but some of them are temporary files or exchange data files, which will not influence our result display if we delete them after calculation. Therefore, before we send the project to our customer, we will suggest to use Compact Wizard to delete these files to make the size of project more smaller. In project, we can call the Compact Project Wizard here and here. And then we can see there are three options we can select. One is temporary files. Another one is exchange data file. The other one is intermediate time output file. For temporary file, this is output file during the calculation. We can delete this file at any time and will not affect computing or result display. For exchange data file, this file storage exchange data between filling, packing, cooling, and warpage, which will not affect the result display. Once these files are deleted, we may fail to run single analysis due to lack of exchange data. For example, if we delete the exchange data, we cannot only run warpage analysis. Therefore, we had to rerun full analysis to get the warpage result, but we will recommend to delete this one when we finish all needed analysis. Usually, we will only delete these two options, temporary file and the exchange data files, when we would like to share the project with our colleagues or customers. After clicking the list button, it will show the all temporary file and exchange file and show the total size we select. Then we can delete this file so that the size of the project will be smaller than before. For intermediate time output data, these results are correspond to our multiple time step setting, like this, from time number 1 to time number 12. If we execute this option, all multiple time step results will be gone except for the result at the end of stage, like end of filling or end of packing. So we can see here all multiple time step result from time number 1 to time number 12. All this result is gone. And if we would like to compact multiple projects at the same time, we can call the Compact Wizard Plus application. Multiple Compact Wizard Plus. All functions is the same. The only difference is that we can compact multiple projects at the same time. So we can add several projects here and then choose the type of projects like the eDesign, Solid, or Shell. For these three options, it is the same before. And then we can compact our desired project by using the Compact Wizard Plus. So this is today's introduction about how to use Compact Project Wizard in Model 3D. Thank you for your watching. If there is any question, you are welcome to send us the email. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. We will update more useful videos about Model 3D on this channel. Thank you. Bye bye.